Welcome, health-conscious viewers, to an exploration of the world of nutritious low-carb foods. Today, we not only unveil 25 delectable options but also delve into the numerous health benefits they offer. So, let's embark on this journey towards a healthier and tastier lifestyle. Beginning with our first contender, strawberries aren't just low in carbs, they're also brimming with vitamins and antioxidants. These succulent berries support your immune system, help maintain healthy skin, and boost overall vitality. Avocados take the stage at number 2, offering more than just creaminess. Packed with healthy fats and fiber, avocados are excellent for heart health, aiding digestion, and promoting feelings of fullness. Sliding in at number 3, we find grilled chicken breast, a versatile protein source with virtually zero carbs. This lean powerhouse helps with muscle growth, repair, and provides sustained energy throughout the day. Now, number 4 introduces cauliflower rice, a low-carb alternative that's changing the game. Not only does it cut carbs, but it's also rich in fiber and antioxidants, supporting digestion and overall health. Number 5 brings us zucchini noodles, or zoodles. These veggie spirals replace traditional pasta, reducing carbs while delivering vitamins and minerals. They're a tasty, guilt-free choice for Italian dishes. Before we continue our countdown, let's delve into the overarching health benefits of low-carb foods. A low-carb diet can assist in weight management, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart conditions. It often leads to improved mental clarity and energy levels and supports overall well-being. Number 6, grilled salmon, is a flavorful delight packed with omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and contributing to optimal brain function. Moving on to number 7, the Greek salad combines crisp lettuce, tangy feta cheese, olives, and cucumber for a low-carb, nutrient-rich masterpiece that satisfies taste buds while supporting your health. At number 8, we have scrambled eggs, a protein-packed breakfast choice that sets the tone for the day. By adding vegetables or cheese, you enhance both the flavor and nutritional value. Surprisingly, at number 9, bacon makes an appearance. Low in carbs and big on flavor, it can be enjoyed as a crispy addition to meals or as a savory snack. Number 10, mixed berries, brings together blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These little marvels not only have low carbs but also pack vitamins and antioxidants, contributing to overall health. As we reach number 11, grilled asparagus showcases tender green spears with minimal carbs and a wealth of vitamins and minerals. Drizzle them with olive oil and Parmesan cheese for a mouth-watering side dish. Number 12 introduces lettuce wraps, replacing traditional tortillas with fresh and crispy lettuce leaves. It's a refreshing alternative that keeps carbs in check. Hollowed-out mushroom caps take center stage at number 13, a perfect vessel for savory, low-carb stuffing options like cheese, bacon, or your personal favorites. At number 14, we discover cauliflower mash, a creamy, low-carb substitute for mashed potatoes. Customize it with butter, cheese, and herbs for an indulgent side dish. Number 15, grilled steak, satisfies carnivorous cravings while offering zero carbs. It's a classic choice that leaves you feeling full and content. Number 16, chia pudding, stands as a nutritious and low-carb dessert. Beyond its deliciousness, it incorporates healthy fats and fiber into your diet, topped with berries for extra flavor. Number 17 brings succulent shrimp skewers, offering protein-packed, low-carb delights. Whether grilled or sautéed, they provide a delectable seafood option. For number 18, turkey lettuce wraps come into focus. Using lettuce leaves as wraps, they're protein-packed and low in carbs. Elevate the flavor with avocado or mustard. Number 19, mixed nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pecans make for both delicious and healthy low-carb snacks. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins. As we near the end of our list at number 20, roasted Brussels sprouts take the stage. These little vegetables are remarkably low in carbs and offer a unique flavor when roasted. Number 21, grilled tofu, is a fantastic low-carb option for vegetarians and vegans. High in protein, it's a blank canvas for your favorite spices or marinades. At number 22, we discover cottage cheese, a protein-rich, low-carb dairy product. It's versatile, serving as a standalone snack, salad addition, or the foundation for delectable dips. Number 23, the omelette, offers a protein-packed, low-carb breakfast. Customize it with veggies, cheese, or meats for a filling morning meal. Crisp and hydrating cucumber slices step in at number 24, making for a perfect low-carb snack. Paired with a tasty dip, they provide a satisfying crunch. Our final contender at number 25, roasted chicken wings, demonstrates that you can enjoy wings on a low-carb diet. Roasted with your preferred spices, they become a flavorful and finger-licking treat. There you have it, a tantalizing list of 25 low-carb foods that tantalize your taste buds while keeping your health in check. Remember, adopting a low-carb lifestyle brings numerous health benefits, from improved weight management to overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of low-carb foods. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes and tips on living a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, savor the flavors of health and